So I'm Arnas. I'm a product manager at Hostinger, and in this hosting website creation market, I've been for over 5 years now. And today, with our team, we are focusing on building tools that help users to maintain their website, helps to create their website, and in general, get online quicker. And today I have a very exciting topic to talk about. It's fixing and optimizing websites with AI. And the goal of this speech is for me to spark your curiosity on how the maintenance of the websites could be quicker and more smoother for you. And additionally, I want to share lessons learned, roadblockers we faced creating various tools with AI, so you could know what could wait ahead when creating things with AI. So in general, everything starts with a website. I believe a majority of you created at least one website, and perhaps along the road, one day you have noticed an error on the website, whether it would be 403, 500, a critical error, or just one day the website started loading very slowly. And everyone hates a slow website. That's the truth. And we at Hostinger, it's not a rare thing. Like we have our clients who on daily basis write to us, they experienced an issue, they having a slow website, and the problem is they are not sure where to start this. What's the progress of it? And there are many various tools where you could start getting information. Why the root cause of the error appeared, or why the website started loading slowly. And the main question arose for us. Okay, so how we can help our users here to seamlessly, start this process, make it smarter and more automatic. So we have thought, why not introduce AI as an ally for the user that could assist in these issues for them? And at the time when we were thinking of this, we had a hackathon at our company. And hackathon is basically an event where you have several days to focus on a certain issue, give your full focus. And hackathon really helped us here to make things very quickly, scratch everything off because maybe it fully failed, and learn fast. And at the time also of creating, AI was on the rise. We saw various tools getting introduced with AI, softwares with AI, and hackathon allowed us, to kickstart it and start everything from scratch. So during hackathon, we made first version or like a first proof of concept, and we have seen 17% fix rate. Basically, what it means that on the first try, when the website broke down, 17% of them were fixed automatically without any user's intervention. And what laid behind those 70% were most 403 errors when the access to page has been forbidden. But what it sparked for us, okay, so we have 17% that it's automatically already doing for the user, and users don't have to search for things. Why not focus on this and see what we could deliver more here, and maybe we can automate things here more. So for 30 days within our team, we focused on enhancing this tool, making various improvements. And what we reached is 50% fix rate. Okay, this is where we understood. Let's scale this further and make it even more usable tool for the users. So 6 months later is a long period of time of work that could be done. And what we have noticed that from 17 to 50%, you can move very quickly because most common errors are there. But the way you rise higher, more complex issues appear. I'm sure most of you know, basically each WordPress website is different. There could be some unique things done to it, and that's where the complexity comes in. So first things first, out of this 6 months later period, AI Troubleshooter came in as a full working service for the users. I'm very happy to say that now per month, we are fixing almost 13,000 of websites with a 70% fix rate. So 70% of the users who use the tool don't have to do anything from their side, and they can see the website already working. When the error appears on the website, if it's a running business, a panic could come in as you're making some additional money out of it. So The AI troubleshooter, basically what it does, it detects all of the ongoing errors on the website. If a 500 appeared, and it automatically offers a fix with a single click you click, and it tries to apply all of the changes on the website. But that's not it. So fixing errors is one piece of a coin. Another part, optimization. Where for the users to start doing things, where to get the source of truth, what is loading slowly. So that's why AI Website Optimizer came in. This is more of a fresh thing, a fresh piece of paper. Why? Because it's been alive for approximately 4 weeks now. And now, during the 4 weeks of period, 16,000 of websites have been optimized. What we notice from the data perspective, on average, 20% of websites start load better on the mobile. So basically, users who are searching your website through mobiles, they get a better loading time. And on the desktop, it's 10%. A very early stage, we are brewing up some ideas what we could deliver further. But on the first thing, these are very nice results. Now, user reviews. These things, users' feedback, users' experience, helped us to make things quicker. And I can say that it's not only for this tool. For any kind of feature, every kind of changes, user feedback comes on first. And my personal favorite one, it's not written in this slide, but one of the users said, I tried the AI troubleshooter, it helped me fix my website, but you know what I would expect if it would be able to write custom code for my website. So why I really liked it, because user is already engaging with the tool, but he also sees what additional things he would like to see with the tool. Now, the most fun part, lessons learned. So it may be sounding very simple, but always use latest available AI models, LLM models, what you use for troubleshooting. Why? Because we have noticed a significant decrease how much time it takes to consume all of the information and how accurate information it gives back to us. Now, on the first release, we have noticed that AI thinks of his own fixes that he's not capable to do. And we have thought, wait, it won't be able to do the fixes for the website, and he's already offering the fixes for the website that are not capable to perform at that point of time. But on another side, we have thought, wait, AI is trying to do that fix for a website he's not capable of. Let's make this into our tiny backlog, what to do next, so it would be capable of doing those fixes. So it gave us very good ideas what additional could be done and fixed on the site automatically. Very important also part is where we have noticed the success of the website being fixed is when you give weight or like a priority to fixes. Why I say it, because let's take an example, 403 error. AI, on the first go, he selected actions that will most likely will not fix the 403 error, but it's in the process of it. But when we gave the weight to the fixes and the priority to them, he was more able to understand them better. Okay, I will take this first and I will try and see what's the outcome of it. So this also helped quite a bit. So these were the lessons learned on the troubleshooting part and fixing errors. Now the optimization part. I very liked the optimization part, learned lessons, because AI was the most bravest AI I've seen. He was like a brave heart here. Why? Because he said, okay, I will optimize the website, but I will also break it. And we said, wait, but we don't want that for the user. AI, yeah, but it will be faster. It will not work. So what we did here, we splitted the optimization steps into different groups. One group, safe, still optimizes the website. Another group, risky steps that could let's say, shift layout a bit of the website. Some images could appear slower on the website due to like lazy loading or stuff like that. And we split it to safe and risky. And if the user agrees to proceed further, they could try to optimize the website even further and have better results. So at the end of the day, users always have a revert option. If they don't like what the results they see, if they don't like the outcome of it, they can also simply revert it. Now, the lessons learned that is not directly connected with AI, but it's connected to user interface in general. The problem we have noticed on the first releases, and I think it will apply to a lot of softwares, is trustworthiness of the user interface we provide to the users' clients. When there was a lack of information, what was happening, what we checked, what fixes we have tried to apply, users were not very engaged with the software in general. But when we provided full details flows, okay, this is what we're going to do, this is what we're going to try to apply, and this will be the potential outcome, users gave more trust on using the interface, engaging with the tool, and this is where we saw actually, if I'm not mistaken, from 30 to 35% increase in the traffic itself of the feature. So it says that trusting the UI really makes the difference. Now, behind the curtains, I want to share a more in-depth flow how it works, and there's no big magic behind it. So whenever there's an error or the website starts to perform slowly, this is the point where we start gathering and analyzing the data. With some prompt engineering, we start sending this information to the AI, where the AI chews it up, and it sends us back the best available steps that should be done on the website, whether it's fixing an error or optimizing it, and then the user sees the end result. Now, what are the next plans? Of course, I would like to reach not 90% fix rate, but 100% fix rate. But 100 is a very big and ambitious number. And the idea we have behind it is to build a Wayback Machine for our AI troubleshooter, like Back to the Future, not the movie, but the improvements. So the idea behind it is that AI will know what changes last were done on what file, on what folder, and AI will be able to tell, this is the file I need to restore. You don't have to search for it in your backups. I will restore and fix the website for you from the backups itself. And this will be the next bet on how we can improve this further. This is it from my storytelling on the AI tools, and I hope it sparked your curiosity. How could you also automate things with the AI and save some time from the development part, from troubleshooting the errors, finding the root causes, as it does help and bring good results.